This is the field house. The field house is a beautiful single-floor house standing in the middle of the Italian countryside. The house has an external shell that functions both as the roof and as a cover for a small parking area for your car. The front door of the house is located nearby, leading you to the living room inside. The living room is furnished with a sofa, a TV, and a table placed in front of large windows overlooking the countryside. In the living room, there is a small kitchen wall equipped with all the necessities. There are 3 other rooms on the opposite side of the room. The first one is a comfortable master bedroom with large windows that offer a view of the outside. There is an elegant bathroom behind the wall with a beautiful big mirror and a relaxing bathtub. Finally, we can see the child's room with everything you may need to stay, sleep, and store with a view of the countryside. The exterior of the house has a simple design that blends in with the surrounding field, featuring a dark red color. The shell of the house, which consists of the side walls and roof, is made of white concrete, while the interior is adorned with dark wood. At night, the house is surrounded by small lights that illuminate the area, providing an ideal spot to stargaze outside all night long. The field house is a tranquil location where you can admire the beauty and serenity of the countryside. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the project, feel free to write them down in the comments. Stay tuned for the next project video.